Enzymes are biologically active proteins that serve as catalysts. They have the ability to speed up biochemical reactions. Without a catalyst, many biochemical reactions would take place too slowly for the body to benefit. The foundation for health and recovery from illness rests in the ability of our digestive systems to digest food. All of the nutrients necessary to sustain life reside in the food we eat. Our digestive systems are designed to change food into a form that permits the absorption of those nutrients through the digestive tract, into the bloodstream, and to the organs and systems that depend on those nutrients for life and health. What makes absorption possible are digestive enzymes, most of which are produced in the pancreas and released throughout the digestive tract. Our bodies produce enzymes specific to the type of food we are eating. Protein-digesting enzymes such as protease, the fat-digesting enzyme lipase, and amylase for the digestion of carbohydrates. Food, when eaten, begins to digest in the mouth, but different types of food are digested in different parts of the digestive system. Protein, while masticated in the mouth, is primarily digested in the stomach. Fats are primarily digested in the small intestine. The process of carbohydrate digestion begins in the mouth with the release of the amylase enzyme. In the mouth, amylase enzymes begin to break apart the bonds holding the carbohydrate polysaccharide sugars together. Additional carbohydrate digestion continues from the mouth in the upper stomach. Protein is primarily digested in the stomach. Protein-digesting enzymes break apart the bonds holding the amino acids of protein. Digested protein, partially digested carbohydrates, and undigested fats travel into the small intestine for the digestive process to be completed. In the small intestine, amylase completes the digestion of carbohydrates. Fats are digested in the small intestine by the lipase enzyme. Digested protein, carbohydrates, and fats are then absorbed through the villi of the small intestine into the bloodstream, where crucial life-sustaining nutrients are distributed throughout the body. The foundation for health and recovery from illness lies in the ability of our digestive system to change food into a form permitting absorption of life-sustaining nutrients into the bloodstream. The inability to absorb those nutrients often contributes to a wide range of illnesses. Poor digestion, the malabsorption of nutrients, is endemic today. Constipation, flatulence, heartburn, and acid reflux, so commonplace, are just a few of the indicators of poor digestion. A diet of cooked, processed, and fatty foods, illness, aging, and antibiotics deplete the naturally occurring enzymes in our bodies. Without enzyme supplementation, we risk adversely affecting the biochemical processes so critical to sustaining life. The protease, amylase, and lipase enzymes provided in a capsule of Digest Gold supplement the body's naturally occurring enzymes. The importance of the food we eat on our health has never been more apparent. Raw, uncooked food supports the organs of the body responsible for enzyme production. Raw foods are rich in enzymes. They are easily digested without the large demand for digestive enzymes often required to break down cooked and processed foods. So much of our food is heated, refined, and processed that we have a greater need for digestive enzymes. The demand for the body's digestive enzymes depletes the production of metabolic enzymes, necessary for proper cellular function. Critical functions of the body are often shortchanged from a lack of energy or metabolic enzyme production.